I got it.
Colin's learning how to stand on his own. He is 6 months, 2 weeks. He's gonna topple over again.
Hi.
Hi.
You just want to crawl on the couch.
Proud.
Thank you, Mommy.
Scary, huh?
Was he startled?
Yeah. He's scary, huh? That was scary.
Good catch, Mommy. Thank you. I appreciate you.
Protect your head.
Your smart head.
Mm-hmm. You want to stand and use my hands? Here. Use my
His
legs.
legs are twisted, that's why.
You'll figure it out. Oh, you see my phone. You always will.